Now we will start the chapter number 2, Murakkabat. Murakkabat mean join two letter, and this chapter we will learn how the word are formed by joining alphabet, and we will learn the different shape of particular letter. For example, lam alif and lam alif. And look, this one is also lam alif and lam alif. So this is the second chapter, but the basic one is the Arabic alphabet. If you know the Arabic alphabet very well, then this chapter will be easy for you. And this chapter you will know just the different shape of one letters and how you will join the two letter and how will be the shape of letters if you join with another letter. Like I told you before, lam alif and lam alif, and this one is also lam alif, and the fourth one is also lam alif, and the fifth one again lam alif. So look, there are a different shape of particular letter. So this is the main thing in this chapter. Now read after me. Alif, alif, lam, alif. The yellow one is lam and the purple one is alif. Lam, alif, lam, alif, ba, alif, ba, alif, lam, alif. The purple one now is lam and the yellow one or the orange one is alif. Lam, alif, lam, lam, alif, lam, ha. This is the orange one or the yellow one is lam. Lam, ha, lam, ha, lam, alif, lam, alif, ba, lam, ba, ba, lam, ba, kaf, 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 ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba. This is also the kaf and this one is also kaf. Kaf, ba, but the shape is different. I told you before we will learn the different shape of particular letters. Kaf, alif, kaf, alif, ba, kaf, ta, ba, kaf, ta, ta, kaf, sa, ta, kaf, sa. And remember this sign, this is the sign of kaf. Whenever you see this sign on top of any letter, so it's mean this is kaf. This sign, remember, this look like hamza, but this is not a hamza. very big difference between Hamza and this sign. Inshallah, I will show you the Hamza as well and this Kaf sign as well. Big difference between them. Ta, Kaf, Sa, Ba, Ta, Sa, Noon, Ya, Ba, Alif, Noon, Alif, Ta, Alif, Ya, Alif, Sa, Alif, Sa, Alif, Ba, Sin, Ba, Sin, Yasin, Yasin, Noon, Sin, Noon, Sin, Ta, Sin, Sa, Sin, Sa, Sin, Sa, Jim, Ta, Ha, Ta, Ha, Noon, Kha, Noon, Kha, Ya, Ha, Ya, Ha, Ba, Jim, Ya, Mim, Ba, Mim, Noon, Mim, Ta, Mim, Sa, alif, ba ha mim, dal, zal, jim, dal, kha, zal, ra, za, jim, ra, kha, za, ra, za, ya, ra, ta, za, sin, shin, sin, lam, shin, lam, صاد ضاد طاء طاء. Don't move your left during pronounce the ta. If you move your left, the upper left, then pronunciation of ta will be absolutely wrong. Ta, ta, za, za, صاد با صاد با طا با ضاد ألف ظا ألف عين غين همزة همزة عين زاء غين راء صاد عين ضاد غين با عين دال با عين دال تا غين ذال تا غين ذال ألف همزة ألف همزة واو همزة يا همزة. Whenever you see the Hamza sign on top of any letter in Quran al-Kareem, so you will pronounce not the below letter, but you will pronounce a Hamza, just a Hamza. The below letter will be silent. Alif Hamza, Waw Hamza, Ya Hamza, Fa, Qaf, Qaf, Waw, Qaf, Waw, Fa, Waw, Fa, Qaf, Lam, Fa, Qaf, Lam, Qaf, Fa, Lam, Ya, Fa, Mim, Mim, Ha, Mim, Lam.